It's even louder right now with the engine cold. I'm not pushing the car, but it's loud as hell right now. And it's nice out, guys. Surprisingly, it's like 58 degrees right now. The sun is going down, so it's getting a little colder now, but it's still not too bad. And I still got enough time to, you know, do a little POV drive for you guys, man. Feel like you guys haven't really heard my burbles that much because I be having my windows closed. And yeah, I haven't really been having them open. Today I do though. See what's up. Maybe we run into somebody on the highway again for a little pull, nothing too crazy. We're safe drivers, guys. We do not want to run from the cops or none of that, okay? So we're not even gonna try to get ourselves in that situation. This video is gonna be pretty much straight exhaust sound, guys. I'm not even gonna talk too much. Oh, police. Let me chill. Police. The car feels so much better, guys, when I'm let me pull up this window at least. Maybe this one too. When I drive in manual, like you really feel the car, man. It smells like rubber. Is it my car? Oh, I don't think so. It smells like rubber. I burnt rubber. What do we have in front of us right here? What is this? Is X what? X7. I'm guessing it's a X7 i40, whatever it's called. Let me see if I was right. So, oh, it's a X6 i40, something like that. Oh my god, it's so fun to just shift, downshift, upshift, all that. If you guys didn't check out my how to shift video, make sure you go check that video out, yeah? I hate this street. I don't know why I got on this lane. That lane is messed up. That sounded crazy. That was like a big shot right there. You better duck. You better duck before you get shot. In GTA, of course. Because this is a video game, guys. It's not even real life. motorcycle? I think so. Ooh wee! This one you really feel it from second to like any. Oh my god, bro. When you go like second to third, bro, and I step on this thing, bro, this thing be flying. It's so windy up here, bro. Oh my god, bro. Jesus Chrysler. This car is so good, man. Like, so good, bro. I feel like a superhero. Yeah, yeah. Oh, it's about to be mad loud in here. Word. Sounds so deep today. What's going on? My Burbo sound hella deep. I think I have it like the perfect amount of like burbles where it's not like making sounds for like super long. I think it's like the time that for however long I have it, it's like perfect because it's like a quick like a burr 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 and then it'll stop instead of having it for like burr 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 burr. Yeah, because that becomes like OD when I have it like that. There's like no parking. The gym is probably gonna be packed. You guys want to see the cleanest 435 I've ever seen in my life? Look at it right there. Oh wait, wrong window. That right there. Poof, poof, poof. That's the rims I'm trying to get for my car, guys. But I don't know. We'll see though. Oh, nice. They left me a perfect spot. My favorite parking spot. Alright, you guys. Well, that is all she wrote, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Peace.